Hello friends, this is Sagar and I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to adding AI so we can damage him, and first we need to make a AI, and then we are going to make a damage system with implementing very unique and great system like headshot. We implement headshot also, so whenever you shoot at AI and your projectile just hit on his head, so he's totally down, headshot kind of thing. So let's start, and if this video is going to be long, so I will split this into two parts. So we will carry this tutorial into upcoming series also. So let's jump into tutorial. So first you need to create one folder like I do already. So AI blueprint, name it AI blueprint, so everything regarding about AI, so we just put it over here. So right click, and we don't need copy this, and we just going from scratch. So just go into blueprint and blueprint class. So select this character class, name AI base, AI base BP. Okay, so this is the base character, so we can create a child. If we create a rifle and melee kind of AI, different kind of bots, so we just use this base character. This is the child, oh sorry, parent class kind of thing. So right click, everything we put into here, into this master, or we can just name like more sensible, like a master. Okay, so open this, and here we can choose same kind of SG mesh, and open this. So here our character put -90, so it will go down a little bit, and put -90 also, so it will face from this arrow direction. Okay, just compile and save. And so here we need to put something like skeleton mesh, name it weapon mesh. We will add weapon here, but not in this tutorial, but in future. So create widget, so this is the widget, compile and save, and you can if you want you can parent this with this. So right click, you just need to put this into a little bit up. So, and don't forget to set this, x is 200 and y just height, and this is the breadth and this is the height. So 200 by 70 is good enough. Like we will show here health, so health widget. So right click, create one widget, name it AI hood. Okay, or you can put underscore, whatever you want to name it. I just names. So right click, and here you choose a custom, so we can choose a custom name, custom width and height. So 200, and height is just 70, same. We choose this into our main character if you want to see. So remember this, whenever you choose your your widget, so you need to draw this same size, because if otherwise it will collide with your character or some kind of, because this is also has some kind of collision, so sometimes it bugs you. So always use same setting like this. Okay, so now what we going to add is of course progress bar, put like, and anchor it in the center. Sorry. Sorry. And resize it by like this, and we need one, text also, so put it over here and anchor it in the center and name it health. And oh man, health. Okay, size to content, so it will exactly fit into this. So here you choose a regular, so it a little bit not too bold looking, so save it. And here you can choose a color of your, if you want any color you can choose this, but I leave like this, so when it fills it look like this. So you can simply go over here, fill opacity, and just point, sorry, not this, we just going to style, and we don't want this white kind of background, so just go into style and background image and go into tint, and just leave the put the value like 0.4. remember this style, background image, and alpha is 0.4, so it look like this, it looks better now. So leave like this, and select this and go into binding. We need to bind this. So here a percentage, so we need to bind this, right click and make this a 0, and right click, create binding. So get percentage, how can we get a percentage? First we need to make a one variable called honor. So this is actor, so this is the actor reference, so compile and save and drag this here, and is valid, is valid, this one, not this one. Okay, if it is valid, then what we going to do, cast to AI master. So this is AI master BP. If you remember this, this is the guy, so we can cause this and use this. Okay, okay, just right click, straighten connection, it look good. Okay, after this we need some health variables into this, so we are going to make it now, max health, and I use float, this is the max health. And control W to duplicate, and for name it current health. Okay, and we need to put some value, so max health is 200, and current health, so live like current health is just to 0. So what we are going to do is whenever your player and enemies AI spawn, so we just take this max health and put like this, so it will set the full health. So the current health is 200, so whenever game is start, it will set to 100 health in current. Okay, so you understand? Okay, so now we get current health, and we need max health also. Get max, so we need to divide. Never put like this, divided by, always current health divided by max health. Okay, remember this, otherwise your health not, you know, not showing correctly. So divided by float. So always current health is in A, not in B. Okay, remember this. So put like this now, and control C, it's showing the error, but it don't do anything. But to remove this, you just put like this: if cast is failed, so set health is 0. And also if you want, you can just simply do this also, so both, problems will gone. So yeah, you can just close this, and into here in even begin play, you just take this widget, and first we need put this widget into here. So AI hood, and you can adjust the location according to your player like this. So okay, it's look good. So get user widget object. Okay, and you need to cast with your AI widget, because this is your widget, you set it over here. You need to cast this widget, otherwise you can't it won't work for you. So you need to cast this first, and then set honor. So we just set the reference to self, because if you remember, when we create this into here, so we just make one, actor reference, and that is, so now we need to set this reference to self whenever a game is started. So now you'll see when we put this character into here, and just make it to 180 degree like this, and when you see, your health will shown up. Okay, so now it looks good. So now we need to create one blueprint interface. Going to and name it take damage. Okay, open this and create a function name I take damage. Okay, and here we need some variables. New, put new, and name it socket name, sorry, socket name, no, bone name. We need a bone name, and this and after that we need a damage, and this is the float. Compile and save. Okay, then close this also, and go into AI master. So what we gonna do is just delete first of all, and you just select this class setting, and you need to implement this take damage. Okay, if you don't see, you just type take whatever you name this, so you can just so here you can call this event take damage. So it will, if you don't implement this into here, so you can't call this function. So first of all, don't forget to implement this. otherwise you can't call this into here. Only you get a message, I take damage message kind of thing. So remember this also. So here is we can just put equals name. If this is this bone name is a head, okay. We can branch it. If this bone, whenever we shoot AI and our line trace hits some hit a bone and that bone is a head, then and head is of course hit by our line trace, so it is going to true. So what we are going to do, just set health is 0, directly 0, so it will directly dead, kind of thing. So if you want, just print a string for debug purposes, so you just make it pure white, looks good, and 1 second is okay. And here had shot, okay, so you can see on whenever we shot our enemy, so you can put this, or you can add a sound also if you want. Over here you can put a sound of like a headshot. So after this, if it is not had, so what we gonna do is just take a current health, sorry, not set, take a current health, get current health, and you need a minus float by float, and this is our damage. You can make a room, and you can put this into here like this, it will automatically set like this. Sorry, actually I got a cold. So you can just, if you want, you just drag over here so you can know how much damage you got, so it will show you also. So yeah, and right now it's don't do anything because we don't implement into firing system. So into go where you need to go into your pickup, into master, where we set everything, projectile and everything. So what we going to do over here, so first we need to just clean this and make a little bit room and put this over here and unplug this. So we use this hit actor. So whenever it hits something and does implement interface, if that actor if our line trace hit any kind of actor or any kind of actor in the world, and that actor has that take damage interface implemented, like if you remember, we implement take damage into this guy. So what will happen if it is true? Of course, take damage implemented and it is true. So what we are going to do, just reroute, double click by reroute, and we just call take damage. So it will give you that I take damage message. So when it's true, so it will fire, so it will automatically fire this I take damage. So where is that? Oh, here. So here a bone name, the way it come from. So here is a hit bone name. Whenever our line trace hit any bone and that bone is a head, so it will give headshot. So over here damage, how can we determine damage. So we can use a random floating range, so you can put any kind of values according to your gun. So you can use this if you have this control C control V current weapon. So this is our current weapon. You can just weapon info get, I think we just weapon, okay. Oh, this is actor, so leave this. You can item info, so you can use this, and you can break this if you want perfect kind of damage system. So here when you click this, I'll show you different kind of trick, and here's the damage. So you can put any kind of damage into any kind of gun. So I'll show you if you want. Where is our here is our all rifle. So if you open your rifle item info, so here you can set everything: 30 ammo, 30, 360. So here I set a damage is 30, so it can detect automatically if you want damage from here. Break it and you just drag and drop over here. So but right now I choose this, but I give you one example also. So this is the example. If you create different kind of guns, you can put different kind of you damage. Sniper give high damage and that kind of stuff. So we just going for simple, just put like 20, and max is just kind of 35. Okay, so in order to achieve best result, so when it's true, it go from here and then go from here, and when it's not true, it's go directly from here. It don't fire this. Okay, so now it won't work because one thing we need to change it to. Go into here, and first you need to look over here. If you use this visibility, just drag, if you one trick tip I'll give you: if you want to press control, and when you roll your mouse, it can zoom more, so you can see more clearly. So right click, if you choose a visibility, so it choose this channel. So trace channel, it is a trace channel, and you can see here visibility, it's a trace channel. So I choose camera. Okay, so you need to block this camera into your character. So if you forget this, so it won't work. Your blind trace, this will not fire. So first of all you need to go into collision, uh, into here, and you just need to custom, and we just ignore this, both channel ignore. Okay, because we don't want to hit our trace hit. We don't want to hit capsule. We just want to hit into mash, because that give us heads and bone names. So use custom and ignore both channels. Maybe you forget visibility, so it will, so ignore them and go into mesh, and here you need to set a custom, and you need to block both channels. So now if we test, finger crossed, maybe this will 100% work. Yes, it working fine. So did you see his health? If I hit on the head, oh boom, headshot. If you see over here into, I just make this big. If you check this on the left side corner over here, when I shoot him on the head, headshot. Okay, and totally you can see the total health is gone. So after this we can put and some kind of boolean over here. Right click and make it dead, die, or death. That is good. Question mark, is dead or not, or make it is dead. Variable is dead, so make it bool. And after here, so remove this bug is it is just you know track your things, so just remove everything. Sorry. And make it branch whenever your current health is less than or equals to 0. Okay, in both cases, headshot or both cases. Okay, so it will go from here also and here also. So if it is true, then we just die. So we can use this into anim graph and we can set any kind of animation. So so now I pause this video because I won't make it short, so I will split this into two part. So next part I will continue. So thank you guys, hope you like it and it will help you, and please subscribe my channel, and you can also join my FB page, Unreal Master Academy. So hope you like this series, and have fun. Bye bye, take care, peace.